Hello, in this tutorial, we will introduce how to configure the space mode of Sphera Network rover to achieve sub-meter accuracy without need for a base station. This mode is ideal for projects that don't require very high accuracy or when an RTK correction service isn't available nearby.
Power on the Sphera 1 Series GNSS receiver in an open sky view and connect it to Singular Pad software. Click the satellite icon in the top status bar to enter the position information interface. Click Settings on the top right corner, and then turn on the SBAS option. After configuration, the positioning state will change to DGNS in the top status bar, and the age will change between 1 to 10.
Now you can successfully configure the space mode. You can start surfing with sub-meter accuracy.